Sir, what do you do for a living?
Halfway.
What do you do for a living?
I pimp hoes for a living.
Who's that? Is yours?
This car is a rental
Oh my God. Where you got it from?
from Pimp My Hoes Rental.
Depo's a roja. It's pulled up right now. I'm gonna get the jack so I can lower my car. Slam that thing on the floor.
Depo on the beat.
Nigga!
Depo on the beat.
Oh my God! Wow! Yep, car feels great. I got it on the softest setting right now, just to see how it feels. I drove it a couple times around the block, and yeah, smooth. No, it's not that bouncy and none of that. Comfortable. Did a couple hard U-turns and no rubbing, nothing. So yeah, best suspension, I think. You know, I haven't tried the other ones, but I don't know. As of right now, this is the best one. I drove in my car, in my boy's car, and I think he had BC Racing, I think it was. And I don't know, it was like too stiff, so I don't know, didn't like it. But this one's the best. I'm gonna keep playing with the dampening to see, you know, like see where I like it more. So when I get home right now, I'm gonna change it to soft, to the middle, see how it feels there, and yeah. But as of right now, it feels good. You can barely feel anything. I'm going through a couple holes and stuff. And yeah, it's good. It feels like stock. Probably even better. And it looks better. So it's a pretty good right height. Can't put my finger in there. I mean, I can, but I gotta twist it up, you know. But it's a pretty good right height all around. Here, same thing. I gotta put the finger up, sure it doesn't go in. But yeah, it's a pretty good right height. I don't rub, don't scrape or anything. I can do all types of stuff and nothing. All right, guys. So a few days has gone by, and yeah, the car is great. I love it. I had to change it to the middle. I put like 15 in the front and 17 in the back, and the car is perfect right there. Can barely feel anything. It's not too much oversteering, and yeah, you know, I'm gonna get the sway bar, whatever I had to get, you know, to straighten the car out a little bit more. So yeah, but other than that, suspension is great. The quality is good. You know, it's worth the price. You know, it's not overpriced like these other stuff. So yeah, car's sitting pretty low. I don't scrape, don't rub, nothing. Car is perfect right there. It's perfect. So hope you guys liked the video. You know, it took a little bit longer to let the video out because, you know, I wanted to do a little review after a few days, you know. But yeah, everything is good, perfect. Yesterday I only scraped a little bit because it was a big hole and I didn't see it. And my skid plate hit the floor, but you know, other than that, it's perfect. You guys seen how low my car is. It's right on top of the tire right there. And it's good right there. So yeah, hope you guys liked the video. Comment, subscribe, hit that notification button, and catch you guys in the next one.